Okay, I'm in zone 5 all the way to the end because we needed to add new fencing. So it's so important to have good fencing when you have sheep and goats. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. And this is the fencing that I'm using for my sheep here. And this is the edge. This is where they got out, and my neighbor called and said, "Oh, they're in my coffee." But we can see here that before I just had, I didn't have the quads, and they went under here. So we added these, which are more sturdy, and they can't go under and they can't go above. So this area is now secured, and I keep thinking that it's going to be secure final time, but you never know 100% with animals. So but you can see here it's all the way down to the ground, so they can't go under. So they're out here in the pasture right now, but they can't go this way because of the fence. So my guys fit the fencing all the way down here, all the way down. Hola, Arsenio.
Hello. How are you?
Good. Al hombre, ¿hasta dónde? Okay. So después aquí, so ellos se pueden.
Sí pueden, pero yo voy a dejarlo así para ver si intentan pasarse por allá.
Ajá. Bueno, a mí, pienso que es mejor para poner hasta la muchos árboles.
Todo va a depender de lo que sobre de allá, de los dos rollos allá.
Uh-huh.
Es probable que sobre.
Uh-huh.
Lo que sobra se puede poner ahí.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. O pone abajo, un poquito más abajo, eso no se puede.
¿A dónde?
Para la última.
Ah, de púa.
Uh-huh.
También puede ser.
Sí, sí. Porque, well, it's really important to have good fencing around, especially when you have neighbors that also have farms. And when neighbors have farms and they also have their produce or their livestock. Oh, I see some of the little ones here. Let me see. They're there, all the way in the middle, mommy and twins. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go up here, and so no más fencing aquí. Finito aquí.
Termina ahí.
Termina aquí.
Termina ahí.
Y aquí no se puede.
No se ve que se pasan. Yo revisé ya.
Okay, okay. All right. So he says it's fully secure, and we'll just keep hoping that they stay in pasture and eat our own food here. Thanks for watching.